Hi friends, welcome back to your favorite channel Trading Technicals. So we had that poll somewhere on the channel just to understand what is that you want to learn. There are enough and more things to learn. Only thing is I'm not able to spend that much of time creating these videos. Definitely I'll put more efforts on these videos so that you learn and grow from whatever it is. I don't want to teach you, or I don't want to discuss about the fancy things which we are continuously talking about, or you listen to all these things in the social media and other places. The point is we want to make it very very simple so that we can trade, we can make money. Okay. So today basically we will go back to the price action thing. We will try to understand what all things we need to kind of see. Now, how many of you actually, looking at these trend lines and other things, which you want to kind of, use in your day trading or positional trading or the long term trading, okay? And these breakouts actually works, okay, and it can help us to get lots of money or earn lots of money from the stock market, okay? Now, you would have seen lots of my charts also putting those trend lines and all those things, okay? And you might sometimes, have that question how this trend line is connecting this and that and all those things, okay? Uh, and sometimes it becomes very, very difficult to plot those trend lines, okay? So what I wanted to kind of show you today is basically a simple way to plot these trend lines, okay? And what we will do is we will try to kind of make it so simple, and then we will try to interpret also what all things we can see on these trend lines, so that we can understand how do we take trades on this. Okay. Now you see this kind of chart, okay? You have lots of these the candlesticks moving up and down, and giving the breakouts and all those things which are there, okay? Now what is happening here? Now I have already plotted this particular trend lines. Okay. Now this was in a kind of a this thing triangle pattern. Okay. And what is happening is basically, if you see here, this is kind of breaking the trend line and going above this particular level. Okay. So we will just try to make it very very simple. Okay. What I'm doing is I'm just changing this particular thing to a line chart. Okay. Now you see the difference between your other chart, which was a candlestick chart, and this chart. Okay. Now you tell me, is it easier to plot these, you know, the tops and the bottoms? Okay. So one was this. Okay. Second one we had from here till here. Okay. So now you would realize one part of thing on this particular thing is every time, okay, every time I'm getting into the interpretation part of it now itself, because so that then I can explain you what all things then and there itself. Okay. Now you see the characteristic of this chart. Okay. This is lupin chart, and you see first trend line which we plotted here. Okay. The tops, you just see the tops. Okay. We will go back to the candlestick pattern later, but we are just seeing here. Okay. Now this is what we plotted a trend line. Okay. Now you see the candlestick, if you see the candlestick, probably you will get some other signal here. Okay. So what it has done is it has gone up, okay, and given a false breakout. Okay. The candlestick thing would be more better on understanding the false breakout. However, here if you see, it has given a false breakout. Okay. And it has not sustained. Second time what it has done is, second trend line which we have plotted here was basically connecting from this line to this line. Okay. Now again here it has given us a false breakout. Okay. And then it reverses back. Okay. And what we will do is we will try to find out one trend line here. Okay. And we will try to find out So it is not only one trend line which will help you. Okay, so basically it will, if you have multiple things coming like this, you will understand where exactly, it will also help you to avoid this false breakout. Okay, now this line chart, what it is doing is, it is clearly telling me, okay, or it is making my life easier to plot this, to connect these tops and bottoms. Okay, now if you see that the trend line here, okay, if you would have plotted, this was running in the upside territory. Okay, and then it has broken. Okay, now here at this particular point, probably my short entry would have come and my target would have been this. Okay, this is how I generally take the trades on. Okay, this is what we want to make it very very simple, so that we can make good money. Okay, if you can buy one, sell one future here and expect this level. Okay, so from 900, almost 980 to almost 920, so 50 points, 50 to 930, so 50 points is what you have earned in maybe few days. Okay, and here at least one clear thing, clear picture which will come into your mind, that there is no buying here because it has broken my trend line. And second thing is, from this, this particular part, we had this trend line, so we know, okay, it has touched the top. Okay, it is gonna touch the bottom also. Okay, because it is playing in this one channel. Okay, so this is the clarity which will come to you when you are putting these particular things. Okay, second thing what it does is, it will change your mind or psychology completely, because what is going to happen is, lots of times, we just go there in the market and try to do certain things, try to make some trades which we are not prepared for. Okay, somebody is telling me to go and short, this thing, uh, probably short at this particular level. Somebody is going and telling me short lupin. Okay, and if at all I would have known this particular fact, probably I would have waited for this particular line to break and then it come down. Okay, probably in 900 level I would have shorted, or 910 level I would have shorted this. Okay, because this is a buying zone. At this point, if you would have seen, this has come from this to this. Okay, now this is particular level. If it is given as a short thing, it would have kind of confused us. Okay, so that is where we need to have little preparation before we get into any kind of trades. Okay, and then we need to understand also what all things we can work out in a day trade. Okay, so this is again, this is a day chart. Okay, if we go back to the 15 minute chart, okay, the same trend lines. Okay, now it is working here. Okay, now we know which are these lines which are taking us up and down. Okay, so whenever this market is coming to this, or lupin is coming to this point, I am buying. I am going to close off my trade here, because I don't know what is going to happen after this particular thing. Okay, now once it has opened at this particular point, okay, and now we know this resistance has been there. Okay, it is not breaking that resistance, so it is going to fall, and my target probably would be this particular level. Okay, so this is how you would trade in a day if you have the clear picture on the things. Okay, now let's find out some other stock. Okay, so that you need to practice this. Okay, because it's not easy for you to just go there and put these things. Okay, now you see this one part of it. Okay, now this is first, what I'm doing is, I'm going on a 1 day chart. Okay, so that I have a better clarity on what exactly is the thing on a longer term. Okay, now here you see. Okay, now here what it has done is, now this trend line is not valid here. Okay, we would put a trend line like this. Okay, and we see one breakdown was given. Okay, one breakdown was given. Okay, and then it has reversed. But now important thing which we need to always remember is, anytime, okay, anytime you are getting these kind of breakdowns or breakouts and all those things. Okay, what we would do, as per the basic price action trader, we it's a very important thing which we always have to remember is, and I also do the same thing. Okay, I will play for the that retest. Okay, now I'll tell you what happens generally when we are trading. Okay, this kind of attempt comes. Okay, now the market has this Escorts has broken this trend line. Okay, some or other way we had this trend line. Okay, probably we had this trend line here. Okay, now Escorts has broken this trend line, right? Now what is going to happen is you will short. Okay, at this particular point probably it would have worked. It has given a breakdown here, it would have worked, it has come down. Okay, now this is actually a classical pattern. Okay, here now it has broken this particular thing. What has happened? Immediately it has tried to retest. Okay, now where I will trade here at the retest. Okay, what I'm gonna do is let it retest. Okay, let it sustain at this point, and if it is not able to sustain, then what I will do, I will go back and I will short it. Okay, now the same thing we will check on the candlestick patterns. Okay, so what is happening is whatever we plotted here. Okay, the same lines have come. Okay, now we know what are the levels. Okay, and what has happened, it has given me a breakdown. Okay, and then it is giving me again another movement here. Okay, so basically this could be a test, a retest of your support and resistance, because every time whenever the any stock or any index they will break the trend lines or any kind of support, it will come retest and then it will fall again. Okay, so if this fails, if it is taking a support, if it is opening above this particular level, tomorrow we can see more short covering and we can see this particular target again. Okay, if at all it is not sustaining and if it is opening somewhere around here, it might the retest is done and the retest is failed, and at this particular point it might go up till 1078 again. Okay, so these are the kind of things which we need to always remember when we are doing price action. Okay, so I hope you like this video. You would learn something from this particular video and you will have a better understanding of how the price action can be used. Okay, this line chart is actually very easy to use it. Okay, it will make lots of difference in your trading style. Okay, and you will have better clarity. My only suggestion is whenever you are trading, just have little preparation one day before. Shortlist your stocks, keep those stocks in your radar on the next day. If it is opening as per your levels and if it is or retest or whatever you are trying to check, and then you take a trade. Okay, because what will happen is in that case your risk reward which will be at a minimum possible level. That is what we need to always attempt, always want to make money on those kind of attempts. So that is what we need to do. This is where it is critical. Okay, if we are trading blindly, definitely we are going to have chances of losing money. Okay, just don't go and trade something, whether it is a nifty, bank nifty, whatever it is, or any stocks. Go first, study that particular thing. If the levels, if it is coming at your levels, please go ahead and buy or sell at that particular point. If not, please go back and hold on for that particular day. Okay, that's it guys. I'll keep on uploading more videos soon, so keep watching. Do like and subscribe this video if you have liked, if you have seen some value adding to your trading. Thank you guys, have a nice day.